Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to cancel your InVideo AI subscription. So the first thing you want to do is go to your homepage. Once you're here, you need to click onto your profile icon in the upper right corner. From there, go to subscriptions right here. Click on it. And here you can see your subscription details, your plan, your add-ons, and your payment method. So all you need to do is click this cancel button right here. Then this window will load, and all you need to do is press yes, cancel. Now just select whichever one of these options applies to you and click on next. Here it's the same deal as the previous one, and press done. And here, if you take a look at the cancel date, you can see on which date you will lose your privileges. And if by any chance you want to use InVideo AI again, you can use my affiliate link from the description below and get a small discount. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.